About 3 days ago, I did this thing where I was trying to capture lightning, and it's back. The lightning is back, but better than before. And there's even a fat cat. But look at that. I'm scared to even come out of here. Bro, it's like thundering. I don't even know if I should set up the camera. There's literally like so much rain. If my camera falls forward, I think it might possibly break from all the rain. It's so loud. The grey cloud is right above us, so hopefully that's good. I still don't think we're gonna get lightning though, because last time I recorded, I only got lightning at night time. So if I come out here at night time, I might get lightning if it's still storming at night. Yeah. The weird thing is that this storm happened at the exact hour that the other storm happened, and that's kind of strange. It was also in the same 20 minutes, which is kind of strange. Whoa, I heard something. Maybe that was just like somebody rolling a bin. I don't know. I don't think they'll be rolling a bin out in this weather. Jeez. Look at it. Oh my god. Wait. I gotta do something. Get some water. And food. I came as soon as the camera fell. The camera didn't even crack. Oh my god. Oh my god, it got saturated. The camera got saturated. I can't believe that. I came as soon as it fell. I am so lucky it didn't just break. Is the camera like indestructible? I'm gonna stand back. This is getting heavy. Look at the fence. Oh my god. The thunder. Yeah, this is definitely stronger than the last storm. Definitely. I'm so lucky that I came as soon as the camera fell, because otherwise it probably would have gotten destroyed. Oh my god, there's literally puddles everywhere. And it's only been like 5 minutes. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god. In the like 5 seconds of me being out there, I got wet. Yeah, just casually wearing my shirt inside out, back to front like a normal person. And this is what I'm seeing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! There was lightning in this! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, that was lightning! That was lightning! I reached